right, guys, I want to welcome you guys up to another episode of Mud Monster TV, guys. I got my brothers with me, Steve and Terry, aka June Man, guys. And right now, today we're gonna be doing we got 3 different exhausts on 3 different bikes, guys. And we want to see how they sound, guys. So we have the I'm running RJWC, Steve is running HMF, Terry is running the big gun exhaust. All right, guys, and so we're just gonna see how they sound, guys, and you leave a comment below, let us know how they sound. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on, guys. We're gonna have more videos for you coming for you soon, guys. All right, guys, right here, guys, we have the HMF on the King Quad. We have the RJWC on the XMR 570, and we have the big gun exhaust on the Yamaha Grizzly 700, guys. So let's see how they sound. Once they're going. Crank that one up there. Next, we got the Can-Am XMR. Let's see how it sounds. Let me see. Gotta kind of play with it. Next we got Steve-O with the HMF. I don't know, guys. Listen, in the description, guys. Listen, let us know what you think. June Man, come on, real quick, man. What you think, man? What you think?
I think the HMF got us both beat. Hey, but I love it. Shotgun shells.
Hey, guys, listen, man. Listen, guys. These are the brothers, guys, man. Be on the lookout for them as well, guys. They're gonna be having some more awesome videos coming on them and their bikes as well, guys. They love ride. They're not scared of no hole or anything like that. One of our mottos is we don't skip them, we dip them. All right, every hole. All right, guys. So guys, stay tuned. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the exhaust, which exhaust you like the best over the other, whatever. Just do a little comparison, guys, and leave a comment below, guys. More videos coming soon. Let's go.